The kitchen brings the goods with stainless steel appliances, granite counters, and an island that naturally becomes the gather here first spot for every party and every Tuesday night dinner. This floor also delivers the layout everyone wants but can rarely find. The primary suite with a 5-piece bath, a second bedroom, and another full bath all on the same level. Perfect for main level living, guests, or multi-generational needs. It's flexibility without compromise. Head downstairs and the home just keeps giving. 2 additional bedrooms, a full bathroom, and a spacious family room create the ideal second living zone. Movie nights, game days, teen hangout, hobby heaven, take your pick.